Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and in this tutorial we will learn how we can merge multiple sketch into a single sketch. This is a very awesome tool of a FreeCAD Sketcher workbench which we will learn. For this tutorial I am using FreeCAD version 1.0, so you must have at least FreeCAD version 1.0 or a higher version than 1.0. So first I will create a new file and I will create a body, and inside of this body we will create our first sketch, and we will select this front plane, and here I will create a rectangle, and now I will select this horizontal and vertical line and made it equal. And now let's select a smart dimension and provide it 160, and let's make this symmetric. We will use the symmetricity constraint. Select this point, and this origin point. So this is the first sketch. We will close it, and now let's create one more sketch on the front plane, and let's hide our first sketch. And now we will create one circle and select a smart dimension and provide it 100 mm diameter, and then close it, and let's hide this sketch, and we will create one more sketch on front plane, and this will be a slot, so we will create a arc slot, and we will create one arc, and let's constrain it. Select smart dimensions and provide it 8 mm, and this radius is of 20. And now this is not symmetric, so we will create a construction line. So we will select a line tool and join this and join this, select both, and made it construction. And now we will select a smart dimension and provide the angle of 40 degree, select this axis and provide the 40, and now we will close it. Now let's on all sketch. So we have created 3 sketch, but if you want to combine these 3 sketches into the single one, you can easily do it. All you have to do it, press Ctrl key, select all 3 sketches and go to the sketch option, and here you will see the merge sketches. Here if you not select the sketch and go to the sketch option, you will not see this option active. So sketch must be selected and click on the merge. So you can see that a new sketch is created, and now let's collapse it, and this sketch is not a part of this body, so we will select it and drop it. Now if we expand, we can see that this sketch 003 is a part of the body. Now we can remove the dependency because we have merged it, and these sketches are no more required, and we can delete it. And once we edit the merge sketch, so you can see that it is fully constrained. We have created the 3 different sketches and we have fully constrained it, and even after merge you can see that sketches is merged and none of the constraint got broken. Now let's create a simple model with this merge sketch. So in a FreeCAD 1.0 we can use the master sketch. This is the master sketch because it contains three different profile: a slot, a circle and one square. So let's first select this square. So press the control key and select all the line and click on extrude, and here say reverse and provide the 20 mm dimension. Now if we expand the pad and press the space bar 2 on it, and now we will create a cut. So select this circle and click on the pocket and provide it 10 mm and say OK. And now again on the master sketch and press control key and select the slot. So slot selected, again click on the pocket and from here select it through all and say OK. And let's mirror this on the other side. So select the mirror tool and from here select a reference and say OK. So this is how we have merged the sketch and created this part. Now what is the benefit? Benefit is that if you are modeling any complex part where you have to create multiple sketches, then if you create everything inside a single sketch, then it could be frustrating. So you can create each and every features as a separate sketch, and once you done it, then you can combine it. So this is the very simple example I took with a square, circle and slot. So if you have a part which is very complex, then you can take the advantages of a FreeCAD sketchers workbench cool features, which is a merge sketches. So this is a very small tutorial to understand the merge sketches option in a FreeCAD sketcher workbench. If you see this part design workbench, so sketchers options is not there, but if you expand it, you will see the awesome tools of a sketcher workbench. So this is all about this tutorial. Thank you for watching and thank you for your valuable time.